Disclaimer. Hello guys, my name is Hydrocoin. I'm just a college student, so please be advised that all of my videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Good evening lads, Hydrocoin here, and I wanted to go over Chia. Again, if you don't know what Chia is, Chia still is, a new coin that was supposed to use hard drives, proof of space, and time. So essentially it is based off of, instead of using expensive graphics cards, you're using hard drives and the space to be able on the network to mine that blockchain to get your coins. And when you mine the chain, you get 2 coins. Now, there's several issues with Chia. If you haven't installed it or you don't know what it is, I have other videos that explain it, and I encourage you to go check those out. Chia was essentially supposed to be a eco-friendly coin. It was supposed to have applications, and actually it had some big ticket names like the guy who made BitTorrent behind it, and it was actually supposed to go somewhere and do something. But as of right now, from what I can figure out, nothing's going on with Chia. They're not doing anything. It hasn't really gone anywhere. And I have very limited data to give you. My buddy has joined a pool a while ago, but he doesn't have very many plots, so he only gets a couple cents a day. I decided to stay on my own because at the time when I was originally doing this, coins were worth 800 a piece, so that's 1600s to be able to mine. And it said I was going to win every month, so I would make $1,600 a month basically by solving the chain for the Chia coin. Well, I've been doing this for 3 months. I stopped over actually 3 weeks ago, and I haven't found a single coin, not a single one, and it's very frustrating. Now, if you go to the Chia Calculator here, I have 177 terabytes of plots, and it says expected time to win about 2 months. That's full of baloney. That's not true. It's not correct. And even in the Chia GUI, the GUI, it says expected time, 1 month, and then it says warning, or expected time may differ by ×3. So even though it says 1 month, really it means it could take up to 3 months. Well, I was doing it for 3 months, and I didn't even find a single coin. Chia is now down to $200 a coin, and that's a ripoff. Now, on another video, I explained going into H-Pool, and I've got the calculator up here as well. I've got the terabytes and the plots, and it says I should get a expected time to withdraw every single day. I should mine about $8 a day, and if you scroll down, that means I should make $238.22 a month. Now, that's not horrible. If you had all of the hard drives to begin with, like from the start, that's not terrible. But I myself, like other people, built a server specifically for it, and this is trash. Like this is straight up trash. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm going to do one or two things. Either I'm going to end up selling all of them for spare parts, or I'm going to join H-Pool and maybe see what I can do. I'm thinking I might do the H-Pool way, because even though this is only $238 a month, that's still $238 a month that I didn't have from just by using the chain. And I really like crypto. I think it's amazing, and I would love to do more with it. So I may end up just keeping it. Now I do want to do some tests. I believe I have a theory, and I mean other people have already covered it, and essentially it's already been out there. But I have a theory of my own that I want to test, and I kind of want to set it up properly. Like I said, there's other people that have already done it. I'm not going to give it away because I haven't decided if I'm going to do it, but there's definitely other people who's done it. This is not an original idea, but I would like to do it for myself to see how it's done, to see if I can do it. and see kind of how it works myself. So that's kind of the direction that I'm going. It's unfortunately that Chia is so disappointing right now. Like, it had such a big hype train, and unfortunately it's just, most of the people that are in the game, I did read an article, most of the people that are sticking in the game are the ones that have spent thousands upon thousands, or even, you know, tens of thousands of dollars on equipment that they can't get rid of. Because, you know, you can get rid of a hard drive, but once it's been used, that's hard to get rid of, and then the price comes way down. And a lot of these people, when they bought the hard drives, were, you know, $600-700 a piece, and now they're down to like $400. So a lot of the people that are in the game have a lot more terabytes than I do, for sure. And I mean, they're making money, but they're probably most likely not making their money back. It's going to take them over a year to make their money back. Like for me, it's going to take a year, 6 months, 22 days that it's estimated, just for me to make my money back on this. And of course, I understood this when I went in, and, you know, I used money that I was willing to use. At the time, I didn't need it, and of course, other things were coming in. So this is just unfortunate. It's already down 6%, which is not really good. So I might get rid of my Chia and go towards the up there cryptos. I might not. I gotta kind of see how things go, and I'll let y'all know from there. But as of right now, on this update video for Chia, it's just, I wouldn't recommend getting in it. I don't think, if you don't have the parts, you definitely should not buy a machine just for this. I mean, things right now are a lot cheaper, yeah, but again, it's still not good enough to where it's not worth it. Don't, if you got the machines, you want to give it a try, I've got other videos that explain how to do it. But if you just want to get in the machine to make some money, you're going to end up spending more money than what you're going to get back, and it's just, as of right now, it's not worth it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. You know, tell me how I'm doing. If you want to tell me I'm a piece of shit, just tell me I'm a piece of shit. You know, just tell me something, because that feedback is what allows me to figure out what I'm doing wrong in the videos and actually how to make them better.